When you're cutting a fruit tree, you want to make sure it's dry time. You want to make sure it's not raining, and so you want to make sure you don't have any branches that are facing down or any branches that are facing inwards or touching each other. So there's a whole group of these guys touching each other right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just trim what I think is best. You want to have air in this plant. This tree I'm trimming right now is going to be a pomegranate tree. Want to make sure that, see, look, these two branches right here, they're touching. So it's going to create tree rot. It's not going to be good, so I'm going to cut one of them. These two branches are touching, they can merge. This one we're going to cut down here.
What kind of tree is this?
This little tree right here is going to be a pomegranate tree I got from Fresno Ag Hardware. Be sure to shop local at Fresno Ag Hardware.